What you doing? Water? Can you say hey? I mean, can you look at me and say hey? Hello? What are you doing? Water? You making a mess? No? You getting wet? I think you are getting wet. Bubba, what are you doing? Water? You working hard? You working hard? You working hard? Yes. Working hard. Water? Making a mess? What you gonna do? What you gonna do with it? You putting gas in your lawnmower? Oh, okay. You putting gas in your lawnmower? Yes. There you go. Is that better? Is that better? Huh? Is that better? What are you doing? Water? What you gonna do with it? Your feet getting wet. Your feet are getting wet. Huh? Your feet are getting wet. Huh? You putting it in the water bottle? Are you putting water in the bottle? Are you putting it in the bottle? Yes. All right, what you gonna do with the water? You gonna put it in your lawnmower? What you gonna do with it? You're making a mess. You're making a mess. Your shorts are wet. Bubba's wet. Is Bubba wet? I think Bubba's wet. Huh? Take the top off the water. Top off water. Huh? That's a good boy. That's good. Good job. More water?
Yes.
Yes? What you gonna do with it? Okay. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
See you later. You getting wet. Wet.
Water.
You putting it in the top? You putting it in the top? You sure are working hard. You're working hard. You're working hard. You're working hard. Huh? Shake, shake, shake. Shake the water. Now then. Need more? Yes? Okay. Say bye-bye. Cheese. Say hello. Say I love you.